So it's December 26th. The family's on their way. And, you know, that means vacation's starting. So let's check on my fiance. Hold on, I don't know what I'm doing yet. Hold on. There we go. Ow. What's good, baby?
What's good, everybody? So excited the family's going to be coming. I can't wait.
Hold on. Turn it down,
Got you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The family is coming, guys. I'm so excited. They're on their way. Got to a little tardy start, but so excited. I can't wait to see them. Right now, I'm about to make the charcuterie boards. We're going to have a nice little munch wine business going on. They're going to get their bags. I'm so excited. And today just marks the day or the start of a great and awesome vacation. We haven't done anything like this in our adult life. So excited to be able to do this. Stay tuned, guys.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
We're excited. We got a whole lot of goodies for everybody. Got some goodie bags. I'll show y'all real quick. Some goodie bags. Okay. You know, everything you need for a cruise is in the bag. So we got all that going. They're on their way. We're excited. So I'm gonna let my fiance show you what she's doing for a little bit. See, you know, you can tap in with her. She can show you all the little delicacies and stuff she got going on. So yeah, and then I'll take back in a little later. Okay.
Oh, how? Oh. Okay, guys.
New toy. Who this? Who trying to see what's going on with this little camera with the fiance cam? Hold up. Fiance cam.
Hey. Okay. So I am going to start making the charcuterie board for when the family arrives. So some things I got are pitted olives. I got sweet pickles and dill pickles. Dried salami. I have a cousin that doesn't eat like other stuff, so I got turkey for her. Pepperoni. I got peppered salami. I got prosciutto. And I got cheese.
We are ready. My fiance just got done with the charcuterie board, and they look amazing. Let's see if we can take a look at them. Ooh, they look so good. Got the pickles, and the olives, and the grapes. I can't wait. Family's almost here, so we're just waiting on them to get here, and we will check back in. Got a little, you know, we do everything. A little welcome for the family. You know, a little welcome bags. You guys already saw that. My fiance showing the welcome bags. So yeah, we can't wait. We're so excited, and they should be pulling up any minute now. Welcome to the crib.
Yeah, okay. We're getting ready to start unloading.
Hi. Hello. How are you?
I'm well.
Cousin is here.
Sorry, this is Dion's. Can we hang somewhere really quick? Yeah. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Okay, we have some stuff for you guys in the car too.
No worries. Dion is here. What's good? What's good? Oh yeah. We'll be upstairs. Hey, made it out the group chat.
chat.
Oh, come on in.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, wow. What's up, man?
What's up, man? How are you? Jennifer!
Come on in. What is this?
Hello,
That's
hello.
mine.
Welcome,
And this
welcome.
is mine.
How are you? Good.
We got a lot of love.
Hi. How are you?
Good. I'm good.
We just don't line them up.
I can take.
Oh, praise the Lord.
Won't he do it, cousin?
Praise the Lord. Saints.
Hello, hello. Welcome.
Beautiful in here, guys. Right here.
Where should we put our stickers?
Yeah, load them up. Hi. How are you? Thank you. Okay.
Oh, it's so nice in here.
Thank you.
I have to step back and get a. Oh my
No,
God.
it's okay.
You can take this whole fireplace.
Oh my God.
It's so big, Jill.
It's
It's so nice.
Our house. Oh my gosh, Erin.
Oh my
this is
God.
gorgeous.
Look at
Hello,
that. You
Jill.
got the charcuterie board. It's so
Oh, you got the charcuterie board.
Yes. Okay, sorry.
No, you're fine. So exciting.
Oh my gosh, this is so
I
cute.
know, it's like you don't
But I want to make my own table for you.
I gotta take a picture. Is somebody take a picture of it?
I did. I took a couple pictures.
Okay, then I don't have to.
You got posters? Oh, yeah, right there.
We do. There's posters here, and there's some on that table as well.
There's a whole nother table. Oh my
And
And a stool just
Everybody's
for me.
here.
there's also this too if anybody
We thought of you.
Can I see you, Miss Terry girl?
I know.
I know.
I get it honest. I get it
No,
good.
wait, that's not Miss Terry. That's Terry Darlene.
That's Terry Darlene.
For real.
I tried.
Yes,
I
I
said,
love
wow, really, my mom's
the
tough.
Thanks.
Grizzy is,
So
I was walking
freaking
through Home Goods or Ross. One of those. And they happen to have two.
Perfect.
I said, I'll take them.
The green and the gold.
Right.
Thank
I like
you.
it.
Yeah, I got rid of the pink, you know.
I mean,
Yeah. We can't put it in the guest room. When we do the guest room, we'll put it
you know,
there.
I love it. It's so like warm and inviting. I love it.
Thanks. That's what we want.
That's what we want.
cool.
Want you guys to feel like,
That's gorgeous.
you know,
Yeah, I like the table a lot.
thank you. Want you guys to feel like at home. Mi casa really is su casa.
Truly.
Come visit, guys.
Please.
Okay.
Often.
Please, everybody.
We be missing people. Okay.
Okay, I know what's eating. I'm just gonna pass these out because I want to make room for everyone to like sit. So, Ashley, of course, Gin Wafer. You're welcome.
She's waiting on it. Wait for her. We love Grace.
Danae.
Oh, yes.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, Jill. Thank you.
This is so
You're
cute.
welcome.
This is so cute.
Thank you, cousin.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Oh, I feel like I need to sit at the head.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Oh, wow.
It is a collapsible water bottle. So you just push it. It goes down like nothing.
Oh, my
Brilliant.
That is really cute, Jill.
I knew this subscription.
There should be a reusable straw.
God. Thank you, guys. Well, we got a
Everybody
lip
has a
roller.
little sash. In there, we will wear one.
Right.
Mine's is so cute.
There's
Oh, everyone has a sash? Let me see.
Hangover kit.
Look at the hangover
Brilliant.
But did you not?
Oh,
You drink a
thank
lot, but
you.
did you not?
Welcome aboard. I'm beyond excited to
Also, the
celebrate my
girlies,
30th
you have a
birthday
little
with you all.
fragrance in your little pink pouches.
It makes the world's greatest family.
And then there should be a lanyard string attached to it.
Oh, thanks, guys.
In a little thing,
Thank
it's
you
a
guys
pink
so
lanyard string. You can
much.
put your phone.
Hey.
Everything.
Oh, this is so cute.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is so cute.
Oh, I got a little sleeping bag. Yes. Oh, wow. This is nice. Thank you.
Julian, you did too much.
Thank you, Julie.
Oh,
Oh, it's twist at the top, twin. It's a reusable straw and it has a cleaner in
You
there.
got our itinerary.
I got everybody a reusable straw because they don't have
Oh,
straws.
a lot of,
Yes.
oh, I forgot. I forgot about
You have one
that.
in yours, it's black.
Thank you.
this is super cute.
Oh, this is nice, Jill.
This is
Awesome. And then there is a thicker black band, and you can do a crossbody or a lanyard. It holds your phone as well. You put the little cloth piece in your case, and it hangs your phone, and then you can also attach your lanyard onto it too.
What?
Your mom bought us something like this for Christmas, huh?
Did she?
Not this year.
Oh.
Like last year, I think.
Designated drug.
Yes, everyone will wear them at least one night to the club.
Yes.
This is so nice.
This is nice.
Bad influence. I am a bad influence.
Yes, they all say different things. Ashley's a shot queen.
Oh my God. You gotta spray that. This smells good.
This is so cute. Dancing diva.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
This is the itinerary. And there should be an itinerary in there. And that collapses down to nothing. If you turn it over, you just press it down and it.
Honey, let me tell you. So when do you start your business?
Okay.
I honestly do want to start becoming a travel agent next
You should.
year. I really do.
You should.
Because I
It's so
enjoy
good.
doing stuff like this, and like, I would add it to your package if that's like something you want done. Like I really do. That's like on my big
You should do it.
This is great. This is really great.
No, you literally
Yes,
counted everything.
I would love to do one. I'm going to Alaska,
Thank you, twin.
but I'm okay not going to Alaska. It's a Disney cruise. Yes, blue charm. You can put it on your cup. You can put it on your I think you put it on your keychain. You can put it on your little Stanley cup or your little
It's your
pen.
initial.
Your initial.
This is beautiful.
Amazing.
Oh my gosh, it matches my necklace.
You guys like
This
it?
is so perfectly.
Yes.
This is
You got a little room spray in there.
twin.
Today
I
we
know,
were talking about this like
The spray
20
smells
minutes ago.
good.
Honey.
Yeah.
I'll wait here. Did you see what's inside?
I thought that was
Oh, yeah,
I was like, oh.
Little eye mask.
Yes, yes.
From the back when I opened it, I said, oh.
Look, what's mine?
Well, I thought about getting one and putting it in the hangover kit, and then I was like, I gotta wanna. That would be all.
That'd be funny.
That would be very
It's
funny.
people go.
Hilarious. You know, they don't do pineapples anymore. I was gonna get some
Yeah, you
pineapples.
can't do
on
that
the thing,
anymore.
Just like as a
Really?
prank, but no, they
Yeah,
didn't
you
allow
can't.
pineapples.
Stop
anymore.
it.
They said no pineapples.
No
No
pineapples.
more
and
swinging
no,
up there.
Yep, no pineapples.
Figure out
and
another way.
Rude.
It's the
Because people only went on the cruise to do that.
Yeah, so
So you gotta figure out, you gotta wear your pineapple.
No
But
more
that
what?
was playing their speakers when we went.
What was
And
that?
Yeah, I packed
Pineapples
one.
and what else
We'll
you
see
said?
if it makes
No more
sense.
pineapples and what?
speakers.
Oh,
They
portable
really
speakers.
mainly it was the pineapples because they wanted to be more family friendly. I guess.
I mean, kids don't know what upside down pineapple means. What's the business?
Is this soap?
That is soap. It comes with like 20 in there.
Oh my god.
What?
Those are the round ones are just extra compressed towels. The pink ones are compressed
I bought these too.
Yes.
They were
Yes.
juicy. Yes.
Thank you so
much, twins.
You're welcome. So cute.
I love it. Ooh, a lip roller. I know the lip roller.
I love this deal. I have, I think I have one of these is strawberry in my purse. Yes, see? Because these come in so quick. You know, you never know when you're going to need a little.
Ooh, a silk scrunchie. We love to see it.
And they should be.
Oh,
cute.
I need to have a.
I love that.
Yeah.
I didn't
Very
do a
happy
taster
trip.
because we're going to take it to the head.
Oh.
Yeah.
What day
is this? I'm
In the parking lot.
42.
And
You said what?
I'm 42.
Oh.
So
what does that have to do with the price of gas in China? Nothing.
I said that in my head when I saw this bottle. I said, oh, my 39.
Okay, you can do it in
Tequila train thing.
2-part.
Can I get a chaser? Just give me a chaser.
Alright, everybody. Starting with Julian. What are you most excited for? And yeah, what are you most excited for this cruise?
I'm excited for the excursion in Cabo.
Ooh, everybody say ooh.
And Ashley.
Back to you, Jill.
Alright, I'm in and out and
In and out, in and out, in and out. We'll come back to you, Maury.
And having some drinks with everybody. That would be really fun.
Jennifer.
I am looking forward to a break.
Indeed.
Absolutely nothing. That's what I'm looking forward to. Getting up and drinking at my leisure.
Oh,
Doing what I choose for the day. That's the most important.
we love it.
I love that for you. Me too, girl. Yes, thank you.
Danae.
I'm looking forward to.
I
I was going to say that second. I was looking forward to meeting new people. And I definitely have to meet new people because I definitely won't know any of you on the boat. I have to make new friends and read my book. Oh, Allie. Yeah.
She said,
New friends.
Ali, what are you looking forward to?
Just being with everybody and the excursion too. That's gonna be fun. All of us is gonna be fun.
Very nice, Dion.
I'm excited for relaxation, eat well, and drink well.
eat well.
Yeah.
Eat well.
Yeah.
Eat well, drink well, yes.
I'm excited to eat well and excited to turn up with everybody.
Hey.
I don't let my hair down all the time, so I'm happy to get to be with you all.
I'm excited to celebrate everybody's birthday.
Yeah.
I know.
The 15th birthday is on your birthday trip.
Literally. We got Aaron first, me second, Ashley third, Ali finale.
Yep, Ali finale.
Yes.
That is a lot of birthdays.
I know.
It is December 27th, my birthday.
Hey, happy birthday.
Thank you. We are on our way to Long Beach, and the cousins have loaded up the cars, and we're about to
We're about to head out and take off. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So stay tuned for more Road Trip Chronicles.
What up?
Hey.
Checking back in.
Checking back in. We stopped at Starbucks. We tried something new, a venti cranberry lemonade. And I got 4 pumps of classic. I don't know if that's too much. I don't know if it's too little. Who cares?
About to get on the road, and we'll check back in. We're checking in. The gang's all here. Staying at the Hyatt Centric of a Pike, I think, something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
About to head to dinner for my birthday. Waiting on Ali and Dion so they can come pick us up. And yeah, we're excited.
So excited. I can't wait. We're going to a steakhouse that is like in a lighthouse. So excited.
Pretty cool. Does my fiance look good tonight? Check it out. Ooh, check out the fit. Okay, fiance. I love it. All that natural beauty. I see you. So yeah, we're excited. We're about to go have dinner. And I don't know what we're going to do after that, but we'll check back in. Excited to embark tomorrow, so yeah, we'll check it out and we'll see what's good. I think Ali and Dion are pulling up now, so we're going to go and get some dinner. Hey, Ali and Dion. What up, what up, what up?
Let me sit on this side.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you. Hi, thank you. Yeah, no, I'm perfect.
Good.
You should be okay.
Hi,
You guys look
birthday
good.
guy.
What's up?
What up, what up, what up? Say hey to the vlog. Say what's up.
Hey, what's
Hey,
up?
Allie
Happy
Dion
birthday,
checking in.
guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Alright, let's go.
Hey. We made it to our destination. We are at Queens View Steakhouse. So excited to eat here. We're all pulling up now. I've been here once before for my birthday, and it was actually pretty nice. I don't remember the food though, so that'll be a good experience.
A new exploration.
Yes, the Queen Mary is all lit up. And it's
Yeah, it
Christmas
is
lights.
super pretty. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it is all lit up. You kind of see the corner of it all lit up over there because we're right by the port, so it's super close, super convenient. But yeah, excited, gonna have a good time. Excited to eat some good food before we get on the ship tomorrow. So let's do this. Uh-oh, my fiance. Sorry guys, still learning how to work this little
I'm so short.
little doodally. Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna go in. We are gonna eat something good, get some nice dessert, have a good birthday dinner with some good company, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Gang's all here.
Gang's all
What up, what up? Dion, Ellie. Thank you. Maury, Jennifer, Ashley, Danae. Hello, hello. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good. Having a good day so far?
You know, it's been a great day so far.
Good. Excellent, excellent. Well, my name's JJ. I'm here for you, whatever you need, okay?
Thank you, JJ.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'm going to give everybody a minute to get settled in. I'm going to start with some water.
Perfect.
Okay?
Perfect.
I'll be right back. Do you prefer bottled water or are you okay with ice water?
Ice water is fine. Take some lemon as well with the water.
I'll be right back.
Hey, baby. Looks so beautiful.
Right? Let me see. Wait, you know, I think it shines better than not.
What you got there? What's that?
It's sorry for my fiance. Birthday king.
Happy birthday. Cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. So what's the
Happy birthday to the best man alive. I love you so much. I'm so grateful.
Thank you, baby. Cheers. That was a good Moscato. Yeah.
Medium's gonna be a warm pink set. You want to do any or all of the sauces on the side? They're free of charge.
Yeah, we do all of them.
Get them all.
Did you have a horseradish one?
Yep.
I don't think we need that. You want that? Yeah. No, we don't need that.
No horseradish, okay.
Can we do the porterhouse on block?
Yes, you can.
So the sides, we will do the mushrooms and the potato block.
Beautiful. Any surf and turf options? Like cupcakes, lobster tails, anything like that? Good right there.
Can you say something down there about the cut on the inside of the porterhouse?
Yeah, so on one side you get the New York strip, the other side is the filet mignon. So the filet mignon is kind of like the most lean cut you could get, no fat. The New York's got a little bit more fat. It's got like kind of a cap on the side. Not quite like a ribeye. Ribeye you got like fat throughout the whole thing.
Yeah, some shit.
Yep. Get the soup right here.
Yes, thank you.
No, you're fine. Thank you. I'm trying to be a content creator.
This is the lobster bisque. I love trying lobster bisques at different steakhouses. So that's what I got to start. And the love of my life got the same. I got a little fresh cracked pepper on it. That's what you see on the top. It's good. Look at tasty.
Ken and I are going to try it.
Have you seen Princess Mononoke?
No, I've only seen My Neighbor Totoro and Howl's Moving Castle.
Princess Mononoke is like, I'm getting chills like right now. Spirited Away is like the one that's like the best, but the story in that one is just so like good. It's so good. The story, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna watch it tomorrow.
Yeah, do it. It's good.
All right, thank you.
And then there's Moving Castle.
Howl's Moving Castle.
Oh, okay, I'll watch that one.
All right, great.
Let's love you.
Okay.
He said that audio was
Oh my gosh, I just made my You guys, they're such moving cartoons. They're not like regular anime. They're like little cartoons that have a message. So think about how Disney, you know how Disney is women, little girls hope. It like tells a whole story, but it teaches you how to be like kind.
Is this the anime that is just a kitty and there's a fish? Yes. Okay. So that's all I'm getting in my head.
That one's called Pokemon.
Okay. I know what you're talking about. I can picture them in my head.
None of us know what the hell going on. Except for Janae. She's getting
Yes, she would.
I won't take a shot for that. Right?
Should we sing? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
sound good. Hold on.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
The most beautiful rendition of Happy Birthday I've ever heard in my life. That's the little butter cake right there. Are you guys singers? Do you sing? Like, is it something you do?
Together, yeah.
I mean, that sounded really good. Thank you. There's the warm butter cake for you. If you need anything else, let me know.
Awesome. Thank you
so much.
The warm butter cake.
Thank you.
So good. Thank you guys. Oh, so beautiful. So how was dinner, Maury?
It was phenomenal, and we're actually gonna come back with my mom and the kids.
Yes. I didn't know we were gonna go upstairs. That was a surprise to me. So I was like, she did good. She did good. Yeah.
That steak was phenomenal.
Yeah. Which one? What kind of steak did you get? Okay. So the one we got was the one with the filet on one side, and then the it was so good. Yeah, it was so good, so good. See, the lamb chops were calling me, but we're gonna have to come back and try that out.
The ship has some really good lamb chops.
Really?
Very good lamb chops.
Yeah, I'm thinking about getting that.
Try it out.
What next?
Ever, never, ever. Wait, never. Never, absolutely not ever.
Right here?
Ever.
Oh shit! It's not the actual air.
It's still too close.
We don't know that.
No, gracias.
I did one Spirit flight in my life, and I'll never do that
I did
again.
one Spirit and one Frontier. I swear I could have flown the plane myself.
Yeah, just did a YouTube video and been like, oh, okay.
You want me to take over? Because I got it. Shit.
The Spirit one we went on, it was like we was in the air and it dropped. It had to be like you felt it like it was on hydraulics.
Nope.
And I said, oh God.
Absolutely not. Never got. I don't care if the flight is $12. Nope.
So plain.
Hey y'all, we ready to go. We ready to board this boat. The Hyatt Centric, the Pike was good to us. My fiance.
Hey.
We had a good dinner last night at the Queensview Steakhouse.
Yes, it was a beautiful dinner.
Nice view, nice ambiance. So we're ready to get on the boat now.
Yes, about to get on the boat. So excited.
Super
I can't
excited.
wait. My mom and our other family are at the boat. So we're already at the port. So we are going to go meet them. And we'll round up the cousins here and then we'll head on out.
We'll check back in. But if you do need somewhere to stay, it's not a bad place to stay.
It's really not.
It's not far from everything. It's like a shopping center too. So if you want to shop, you want to get some stuff done, the room is nice. Hyatt, the Centric, the Pike, something like that, Long Beach. Just look it up. You'll find it. But got our luggage all, we're only going for a couple of days, but you just need a little something every now and again. So just packed anything and everything we might need. We got it. You want it? We got it. No problem. So we're about to get on the road and we'll check back in at the port. See y'all. Reggie Reg. We'll see you, man. Back in Pittsburgh. Thank you. Y'all ready? Everybody ready? There's a shot o'clock. Y'all ready to board? Everybody's here. Ready to go. Headed to the port. We'll check back in later.
Okay. To more life, more love, more happiness, a good year, and happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Cheers. Thank you.
And cheers.
Hello. You gotta look at me now. Cheers. Yeah, Danae, it's good.
All right, sis, come through, sis. Woo.
It didn't even burn.
Jetty. Ooh. Jill, come on, birthday girl.
Jillian, for
You
real.
got this. Today.
Oh, the whole thing.
What did you think?
Oh, the whole thing.
Show it to me 7-Up. Baby, okay.
Dion, we good?
It's crazy in the
We
morning.
good, Dion?
Crazy in the morning.
It's crazy in the morning.
Breath going down.
That was smooth.
Oh, it was smooth. It was good. All right, me and Dion had to park off-site.
Off site
So
while
we-
everybody got to park inside VIP.
We got VIP,
Selective few.
but you know they got a little situation for us. Got the buses lined up over here.
Yeah, they
So we're not.
settles. They're missing out.
You're right. So we about to go join everybody now, and hopefully we'll be on. Hopefully it's not too packed over there
Crowded,
at the
packed.
terminal.
Yep, and hopefully they got their own lane.
Yeah, literally.
Ready to get on this boat.
Seriously. I'm ready for a guy's burger right about now.
Yeah.
Need a little something in my life.
A blue iguana fried fish
Oh,
taco.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, that sounds good too. I might do that. Do a little bit of both.
Them be them ones.
So we on our way. Finally here in the terminal.
Finally here. It's 12:50.
You know, a little later than expected, but we're here. That's all that matters. That's all that
We
matters.
are so excited.
Very excited. How was the check-in process? It was pretty smooth.
It was pretty smooth. I don't know the parking, but it seemed like we were waiting a long time for them to come back.
So the parking is about a mile and a half away, like 2 minutes from where we stayed last night. So it was just the process of getting the buses loaded. They did have you pay up front, which they said they were not going to. It was going to be on your sign and sale card, but I guess they changed that, so you had to pay up front. And then you load the bus, and the bus brought you right to the start of the cruise terminal. So we just walked right in. I have my passport now, so we didn't have to separate. We didn't have to separate the birth certificate and the passport line. So I know my fiance was happy about that. So yeah, we're just waiting on the rest of the crew to get through security and handle some business, and then we'll be loading the Carnival Panorama. Carnival Panorama. There we go. So stay tuned. Excited to see Mama Terry's. Mama Terry's waiting and Jarrett's waiting. So the rest of the fam is already on the boat.
Yeah.
Aunt Beth and Godmom and Sam. So everybody's here. Gang's all here.
The gang's all here.
So we'll check back in. Hopefully with a drink in our hand and some what is it, Guy's Burgers.
Yeah.
So excited about that. So see y'all later. on the gangway, heading to the boat. In my pocket. You ready, baby?
I'm ready, baby.
What's the first thing you're gonna do when you get on the ship?
Eat me some food, go to Guy. Oh, be responsible, go to my muster station.
Oh yeah, there you
Then give me some food to drink. Guy's burgers. And a shot of tequila.
I'm excited for the guys' burgers. So let's do this.
Responsible.
Alright, we're on the ship. I'm in the casino now. I have to go to somewhere else because my muster station is at the back of the ship. So I'm headed over there so I can check in and get the muster done so we don't have to worry about it. And we can just spend the rest of our time having fun. So I'm gonna go check in there and then yeah, we'll check back in later. Just did my muster station and that could have been an email because all they did was say, you know, put on a life jacket, and I said yes, and they're like, you're good, bye-bye. So I'm going to meet my fiance now, and then we will go and find our room so we can check in and see what's good. Actually, I think I found her. Let's see. Mustang! Mama Terry's here! Our gang's all here.
Gang is all here.
Happy birthday! Let's go, baby.
First of many.
First shot down. A lot to go.
know you're cooking for that many people, you know? But right now, for the next 7 days, you do not have to do any more cooking. No more cleaning. No more work. How many of you have worked hard for this cruise? How many of you deserve this cruise? How many of you need this cruise? My name is Andy, I'm your cruise director here on board. I'm going to put the fun out in front of you all cruise long. But it's up to you whether you have fun. I can't do it for you. So right now, let's get this party started with a special performance. I want you to get a massive space in the middle right over here. Because right now, I'm going to invite out all of my entertainment team who've got a lovely choreographed number for you.
A choreographed.
But we're finally on the ship and all checked in to our room. The rest of the family is about to sign up for Family Feud, so we'll see if we get selected or not. But see the view in the background, just chilling on one of these, I think it's called the Ocean Plaza Bar, on 5 Aft. So just kind of relaxing for a second while they sign up. But yeah, it's day 1 of the cruise, so we're just hanging out and about to go to dinner probably in the next hour or so. But yeah, I'm excited. 7 days, never done a cruise this long. My fiance and I are excited to check it out. So lots to do, lots to see. Just stay tuned. We'll take you around the ship with us. So see you later.